it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. Except we're not doing supper today. This here, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Okay, somebody called up and said, don't forget the dessert. And you're like, wow. This in here is 5 minutes. Well, hour and 5 minutes. 5 minutes to make. Chill it for an hour, and you're ready to go. Pretty easy, too. All you need is 1 can of condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Thank you, my lovely assistant. Quit laughing. You need 8 ounces of whipped topping. Cool Whip. Pack of your favorite Kool-Aid. I've never tried this before. We're going to have a grape pie. And 1 graham cracker crust. Okay, what we're going to do, we mix these 3 together. Pour it in your pie shell. Put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Tell you folks, it's easy. Let's do it. Alrighty, let's put our Cool Whip down in there. You want it partially thawed. Carolyn got me this doohickey here. I'm already having trouble with it. Sure, Doug, use this. It's here to work out good.
That's for me.
Works good for Carolyn, she said. Poor Doug's having a little trouble. Well, I may have done lied to you folks. It's going to take me 5 minutes to get all the whipped cream out of this. Hold on, let me grab a spatula. Carolyn's over there snickering.
Nope.
Hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving tomorrow. Lord willing, tomorrow morning, going up to Buddy Jason's house. We're going to harvest 3 hogs. Nothing happens. Folks, if you're seeing lights flashing behind us, it ain't nothing but we've got a light bulb getting ready to go out. I hope that's all it is. We ain't got no strobe light behind us or anything here. Do you want a new Tupperware bowl?
Sure.
All right. Now, we're going to pour in slowly our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now, folks, whatever flavor Kool-Aid you like, we just happen to see this pie. If you've had this before, let us know in the comments how you liked it. I think I've done overshot my 5 minutes. Oh well. What's a few minutes? Okay.
May have to turn that light off.
Yeah, I may have to turn that light off. Hate to have a fire here, right here on What's for Supper Wednesday. Okay, that's good enough. Flip this light off. Now, we've got a bunch of tools down there and it's going horribly awry, folks. Carolyn's over here pointing. The tools. Down in. Oh, gracious alive. Fair's got to laugh, folks. Fair didn't laugh, he cry. Especially the way things are nowadays. Alrighty. Now, this started off to be a super easy dessert. Now, pour in your Kool-Aid mix. Throw this away. Now, let's take Carolyn's handy dandy think here, get this mixed together. I'm gonna be honest, folks. I thought it might turn a little bit more purplish color than that since it's grape. Oh.
It's like an Easter color.
Yeah, Easter color. This here, make this up, folks. You take it and you serve it. It'll be a mystery flavor. People won't know what they're getting until they bite into it there. The recipe called for just one packet. So we'll see. Should get you a little, see if you taste grape.
Yep.
You ain't just lying to us, are you?
It's
You
great.
ain't just lying to us, folks, are you?
No.
Okay.
Don't lie.
All right. I'm going to set this aside and get me the spatula. Boy.
It's for mixing, not for scraping.
I ain't doubting it. Not doubting you one bit. Okay. Told that cashier, be careful with my pie crust. He wasn't. It's got a little bit of a purplish tint to it. Not very, but it's a little bit. Now, we'll get this out in here and smooth it around. And hopefully it'll be good. Folks, before long, I hope to be having another giveaway. We'll have more details on that coming up before long. I don't know. May just be like Amazon cards or something this time. That way, maybe everybody can participate in it. Set that in the sink. Now, smooth this around a little bit. Hope you are filming, Shug.
Yeah.
We just have to start all over. I don't think I've ever had a grape pie. Hope it's good. Like I said, we'll chill it now for an hour, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. See you soon, folks. Alrighty, folks. There you have it. Carolyn there, she used her technique and fixed it. Pretty. Alrighty. There we have it. Look at there. Like I said, folks, whatever flavor Kool-Aid you want, that's what the pie will be. Give it a try, Shug.
Delicious.
Are you lying?
Nope. Delicious.
Quick, easy pie, folks. If you need something for tomorrow, won't take much to fix it. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. Stay safe. We'll be seeing you Friday, maybe. Thank you for watching.